hack.
Hi kids! Do you want to feel like that you're just like home? Well, this new collection from Just Like Home will make you feel like that you're just like at home. It comes with batteries, sound, and it also lights up. Do you know what this is? It's a cash register. Let's see what does it come with. Let's open it up. Oh, what's this? Look! You get your old dollar bills and you get your credit card. Here are your bucks. You have two $1 bills, two $5 bills, one $10 and one $20. So, how much do you have in total? Let's use the cashier to find out. So you have a $20 bill plus you have a $10 bill plus you have two $5 bills. 5 plus 5. Two $1 bills plus 1 plus 1 and then equal. You have $42 in cash. Wow! You also get your own cash with your cashier, see? So, let's continue opening the box. Wow! So here is our cash register. Can you see the light? Wow! Let's add our cash inside. Like that. There's also some coins in this box. So we have 4 $5 coins, 2 $10 coins, and 2 $25 coins. Let's see how many cash we have. 2 $10, 10 plus 10 equals 20, 20 plus 25 plus 25 equals 70. So we have 4 $5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 and plus 5 equal. We have $90 in change. That's a lot, right? Let's put it in our cash register. Ooh! There you go. So let's see what we have here. Wow, it's a soda. This is a can of soup and this is a can of tuna fish. See? We have some ketchup. And we have some milk. So I bought 1 milk, 1 bottle of ketchup, some tuna, a can of soup, and a can of soda. So let's buy some. Here. So let's buy things. So this was $10. This was $15. This was $20. This was $25. and this was $30. So in total, we need to pay $100. So we already paid $100. Let's take the basket and go home. Let's go. So I'm going to pay with my credit card. Wow! I paid already with my credit card. Let's do it again. This was fun. Wow! One more time. This cash register, it's a lot of fun, right? Do you like it? I like it. If you want to see more, please like and subscribe. Thank you.